forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's Madness. Again with more of Abbi's Madness. So people, we know we don't miss good girl, so we don't miss good girl, so come right, so. People life update. People like tell me what telling about this. I have the time because when time I get up later morning time, you want to watch the clip here. People say the things that I forgot through. First the stuff don't know the bigger stuff though, I can't deal. Yeah, them full in the house. Good girl can't get for do no video and tell you what's going on. But don't worry, good girl is here, Watch my son. Yeah, dirty save. I'm at the next one too, you know. I'm at the next one too. Yeah, but I'm a son. So anyways, guys, when you come right there, so oh my gosh, girl titty nice also, eh? Yeah, guys, so yeah. People. Lord Jesus, if you never know what took place. Can you believe the good girl get born? Yes, the people them man born on my backside. You know say I calling people man say must have a girlfriend. No, I just call him say because I call sick. But people, the boy get me born. Yeah, if you not believe me, you look here.
Just wanna see you dancing slow motion. Thanks, sir. Ain't about your ass too.
I said the boy give me a stress good girl right out. Stress out, I could eat.
Aww.
I could sleep. People heart break, my heart did just broke up, so. Good girl heart did mash right up. When I tell me, I feel say, I can't take it no more, I go away, back. Yeah, give me one answer you first. People are serious something, I'm not telling a lie. People, yeah, weight loss. Good girl lost lots of weight. I'm a son, can't tell you no. But that's why I can't attack human, that's why I'm not attack. Say roof, I'll make them know say I choose son. Roof, same thing, my son back. I choose some of me attack. The boy dirty, the boy born more than another YouTuber. And you know what I do? Find out which YouTuber. And you know what I do? I take the girl X. Yeah, so I'ma drop it. Watch them not believe me. Look at me and the boy I want to take. Now it's the day to meet your stepdaddy. Yeah. Alex is your stepdaddy. It's your stepson.
Yo, man.
Good girl no play. If I gotta take my man, I take back for you, man. That's how I drop it, yeah. Anyways, guys, it was a collab we do. And so, you know, it was a good collab, guys. If you don't know them, go and check them out. And guys, if you're not new to my channel, Abbi's Madness, run, go over to me and people channel. Abbi and Kappa J.A. So, yeah, guys, so anyways, what me really not been posting for Abbi's Madness. Good girl got so caught up in the couple channel because if you don't know, I know some two channel we have. Abbi and Kappa J.A. Abbi and Kappa Comedy TV. And guys, it's not easy for you make and edit. The longest process of this shit I editing. Somebody tell me I edit from morning till night. And as night come sleep a box and kill me. But good girl not sleep cause guess what? I not sleep until I done edit a video. So I drop it. And I know video is dead for edit. So I say work have to go on first before good girl go sleep. And when me I drop a sleep and some bad 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning. So by the time good girl wake up a good sleep about 10 o'clock. And once 10 o'clock drop where they cross these people they in the house. Them just walk up and down and make nice. Good girl carry the video in peace. So one cross is up there so but you can't see him. Yeah. I see what some good girl carry with the video, you know, good girl have to catch the good light. Yeah guys. So I'm gonna start posting more, you know, good girl coming back with the skits them guys. Yeah. When I ramp. What's good? Be a good girl, body test. good girl monetize, guys. So good girl come with the skits them, Lord Jesus. I said thanks to good girl reach 4K to good girl reach 4K subscribers. Guys, go and tell her the thanks. Thanks, guys, thanks. Hey. Yeah. Come back here, sir. Come back here, sir. Yeah, guys, what else? What else? Life update, what else? Good girl, I lose weight, mention that. What else? What else? Girl, tell my man, oh, mention that. What else? What else? But also, I'm trying to tell a friend about Abbi's madness. My car video now got top drop. Skits now got top drop. I don't have no ideas like a particular skit on one, though. Wanna dash it, palm now? Flit right in my DM. Yeah. Cause once I can do it, good girl I gotta do it. And when I send on the skits idea, I'ma do it. Me I go and shout out to. So me I go drop it. Yeah. But people, pause. Look for good girl nice makeup. Look for good girl nice makeup for the dirty people them come forward here. But say dirty people them come for good girl, you know. But I love some other Abbi's by these people, cause guess what? I see no fun in the comment section and defend me. I'm a love one for that. I want some dirty people. I try to come for a good girl. Yeah. I try my best to post at least 2 times a week. Because I know some of you have to deal with 2 channels. Guys, it's hard. But guess what? Good girl have to just, I me choose it. So, you know, good girl have to just put in the work. So, and most of the time, I can't answer to all of them because some people would text me and then they come another video and say, oh, me a DM, I can't get you. Guys, the inbox full. It's full and sometimes I don't have time for check. You see, I go up on Instagram, I go up on the fair like a good 5 minutes of herb and check, do what me I do, check, upload, whatever, and come right off, edit and all of that. Guys, I'm busy. 3 channels, they must stress me right out. But guess what? You don't forget content. Yes, so I drop it. And as I say, fling on the skits ideas. And if me I use it, I'm gonna get a shout out. So if I don't want a shout out, so yeah, I can fling on the ideas. What else? Oh guys, I'm gonna see some of them in my inbox. Come read them now. I read them when I glimpse some of them. And when I say, Lord, Abbi, I can't tell me like, oh, you manage to do YouTube, oh, you answer backlash and all of them, some of them. People, I'm telling you, you see, once you don't want to join YouTube, number 1 thing I'm always telling you, well, ask you if you're not ready to get backlash. Because the haters, them full on social media. Social media coming like a be a bully upon it. But we not for strong in this. So if you don't want to start YouTube, make sure you say you prepare to get hate. Because I go come, I went to your good like gold, them have to hate you. Cause you just that good. Yeah, bad man. Yeah, but no make that stop, you know, you have to live on yourself, you have to motivate on yourself too. Because some people, I'm gonna tell you about the dirty germs, them want to do what you know I do, you know, but you them not confident enough. Them try and bring you down, that's you know do it with them, so 2 hours they are struggle. Yeah, but don't listen to them, listen to Abbi's madness. You can do it. Want to start a YouTube? Do it. Yeah. And people, I'm telling you, the best advice, do things when you know I can catch crowd. If you not come by you, don't do no boring something, you know, like me, I can't do no boring something like me. But apparently my words over work. Come on, guys. So guys, if you really want to start YouTube, you can try your prank skits and all of them. Some of the people, yeah, things where you know Jamaicans are watching. Yeah. My advice to you know. And as I say, don't focus on my haters, do your own thing. Look here, them class me, I say I'm ugly. I'm ever step out strong and say, whoa, I'm not bad man, I'm nice, whoa. Yeah, and guess I'm going to step out without makeup. That day, them class them without makeup. Yeah, good girl confident, even though I'm ugly, I'm blood clot, you know, I'm ugly. But good girl still have to step out and act like say, yeah, she cute, she's the best looking girl in the world. Yeah, but they still have to step out without makeup and say, oh no way, I'm nice. Yeah, the haters them come for me. Yeah, outside I'm a good girl enough to put them in them place. And uno have attached people, I find a name for you know. My name for find a name for call uno. Yeah. So they suggest some name too, I can call you know. Yeah, come on. I want to stop say, hey guys, what's up guys? Yeah, I want to stop saying up on yourself. So find a name, tell me some name when I tip I can call you know. Yeah. And what is the new one? I get watch good girl baby. Come on. Why is it you want to know? What else? Yeah, guys, so best believe I'm going to start try and post on Wednesdays and Sundays for Abbi's Madness. Wednesdays and Sundays, I'm going to try my best for do so. Yeah, because when you need content, when you want to laugh, somebody tell me when they're on the house board, I say, I don't know what's on the board in this quarantine. I don't know some of my madness. So I'm going to drop it on uno. Yeah, Wednesdays and Sundays. Yeah, I remember for going to check out the other channel. Let me know. Abbi and Kepo JA, Abbi and Kepo Comedy TV. Yeah. A pure way good girl I try put in for uno. Yeah, but the way the haters them come out strong, you know, that's why you can't pay haters, man. No. I look at Twitch and them there, I try back away. I'm still go on, I'm still a drop content. Even though I'm kind of slack up on this, but everything gonna change. Just telling the ideas and so. Even though I have content for put out for uno. Yeah, So, if you don't follow up with Abbi and Kepo JA and Abbi and Kepo Comedy TV, you know, just go on fast by the madness, them I go on. Yeah, and come back here, so today I win, because this is a job today, you know. I think today is Tuesday, so, yeah. Alright. So, yeah, guys, I think this is the end of the video. I'm going to cover everything. Good girl, I come back and so good girl, they busy too. Good girl, they get born. Yeah, good girl, they get born, so she end up start born by the boy. And so come back together. Yeah, him couldn't manage the bond. I saw him born me, and someone said, no, unfair game, I can't play that too. And I saw come grab the girl, man. I'm going to say, born for born. Yeah. And I saw come with us have burn each other, so until we're tired, we're tired forget the burn. So come the dirty boy, I said, I can't bother with this, the mom wire back. I'm going to say, wire back too. And I saw come we grab each other. Yeah. So we're up on our channel, we're going back with ourselves, and so. Alright guys, I think this is the end of the video, so make sure you hit that one. Subscribe if you don't know. And as I said, people, follow a good girl on Instagram. Below. And go over to me and the people there, man. Abbi and Kepo JA. Yeah. Run go over there. Until then, all good girl is out. Bye.